Let's face it, these past couple years have been crazy. We've all been dealing with the unexpected in a lot of different ways. When it comes to businesses, the corporate landscape has changed. More people are working remotely now than ever before. So how do you help your employees and clients feel connected when they're not coming into the office? Sending gifts and care packages straight to their home is a great way you can help them feel connected, and also help add a little normalcy to their lives. But depending on the size of your company, that can be a lot of boxes to ship, a lot of note cards to sign, packing labels to print, and kits to assemble. It can quickly turn into a logistical nightmare. That's where Pinnacle Promotions comes in. We'll take the stress out of the whole process. We'll help you put everything together as part of a kit in one smooth, streamlined process. Here's how we'll do it in 4 easy steps. First, pick the products you want to include. You can browse for products on our site at pinnaclepromotions.com or reach out to an account manager for ideas. Just remember, when selecting a product, make sure the amount you want to order meets that product's minimum order quantity. Second, pick the packaging for your products. We can even create a custom box for you that's imprinted with your colors and logo. Or you could mix it up and pack everything into another branded item. For example, a drawstring bag or a cooler. Third, let us know where to ship everything. Just send us a spreadsheet with names and addresses. The last step is our favorite. Because once you place your order, you get to relax knowing that we've got it handled. We'll take care of everything else. Printing, kitting, and drop shipping everything to your employees or clients. And you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done, without the stress. So what are you waiting for? Email us now or pick up the phone to get started.